The internet has become the central artery of modern office life. What happens when we also connect luminaires and sensors directly to the internet? Services, pushing well beyond the classical lighting controls. End users expect and demand more comfortable buildings, more flexibility and lower maintenance costs. OpenEyes prepared lighting for IoT and IoT for lighting. On the seemingly endless internet, all data and services become accessible everywhere. Let apps from multiple vendors control all room services. Let your BMS collect all information from the lighting system. Let a scheduler control the lights and prepare the meeting rooms. Let lights and blinds cooperate for optimal behavior. Watch customer satisfaction rise and their energy bills shrink. And let there be light in a more efficient and seamless way than ever before.
Lighting has increasingly been used as a platform for the Internet of Things. The first generation of networks, designed largely for control, are showing their limitations to truly join an Internet ecosystem where all devices can speak directly to each other. OpenEyes has realized a fully operational pilot based on what has been developed. Although much of the power is hidden under the hood, this provides a clear demonstration of how lighting can truly step into the Internet of Things.
Starting in early 2015, major companies of the lighting supply chain, building management and IoT, supported by the EU Horizon 2020 program, joined forces to bring the Internet right into the luminaire and sensors. We called it OpenEyes. An open architecture for internet-based lighting controls, enabling a wider community to deliver value into the office environment. This future architecture, checked by simulation and verified by a full-scale implementation in a real office, is here now, today. We made a major step into easy life for the whole value chain, increasing the site value and establishing a building-wide ecosystem.
In this particular project, our interest has been in whether all kinds of building control systems can be internet connected to the building network, and that's been really illuminating. We've discovered a lot from that.
I think it's a very relevant issue for Zumtobel to make sure that the future in lighting controls is matching to their expectations and that they learn early enough what is coming up and where the technical possibilities are. And I think it's also good to work together with a lot of other companies.
What I liked in particular in working on the OpenEyes project is that you can discuss all those interesting new things with other companies and other organizations. OpenEyes makes it easy to specify, design, install, commission, operate and maintain a lighting system. It offers a higher value for effort. A neutral infrastructure like the internet allows to easily deploy flexible controls and services from multiple vendors. We increase the data usability. Ubiquitous sensor and status information allows for seamless integration of various technologies and services from multiple parties.
Connectivity to luminaires so far is outdated. It's analog, it's one-dimensional only to the luminaire, and it's only a low bandwidth. Open architecture for IP-based lighting systems creates the first and very important step to work on the way that luminaires become the perfect thing for the Internet of Things.
OpenEyes prepare the IoT for lighting. Lighting controls must create an instantaneous and synchronized effect in all luminaires in the space. To start and stop a manual dimming operation in a whole room needs to be accurate. Contrary to what you might expect, the internet is not fast enough for this. OpenEyes introduced OpenEyes Group Communication, OGC, the open and secure, low latency group communication ready for use. It avoids traffic jam by design and can be easily used with a small bandwidth wireless communication. OpenEyes developed an optimized object model which supports both simple and sophisticated advanced lighting control. Using OGC makes competing offers interoperable on key functions. New controls can be deployed on top of existing ones without the need to take the old ones out. We call this stacking of controls.
We had the pleasure of interviewing lots of people across the whole supply chain, from manufacturers through to end users, finding out all their views of what the future of lighting could be. We also had an ideation around the future of office work. They have a really modern approach here, and it's been great to just add digital lighting and controls to that space and give them personal control of their lights, and also actually just save them bucket loads of energy and money.
To verify the concepts over and above simulation, an office system of 400 internet-connected luminaires has been built, commissioned and is in operation now. Luminaires contain sensors and some of them host group control. It is built independently by two competing companies, but on the same principle. And it works. Altogether, over 1800 communicating objects like lights, sensors and buttons in a mix of wired Power over Ethernet and wireless thread networks. It is fast and reliable. The office space is in full operation at a real office at GGD in the White Lady building in Eindhoven. User apps have been created and applied by Eindhoven University of Technology, proving that the interfaces work independently from the manufacturers.
Open Eyes is investigating how lighting influences the atmosphere in our office. Highly skilled experts can choose for which organization they want to work, so it's important for us to be an attractive employer. A pleasant working atmosphere will help to attract and keep talented people.
With IoT lighting, a light show for Glow is just a fingertip away. Open Eyes provides an open ecosystem to enable a wider community to deliver the smartness of light and offer value beyond lighting by a growing community. The results are public and ready for use. A perfect start for you to join the future in IoT lighting controls.